Justice Paul Rouleau put forward 57 recommendations when he said the federal government was justified in their unprecedented use of the Emergencies Act to break up the Freedom Convoy protest. Public Safety Minister Dominic LeBlanc has now sent the 6-month status update to the Prime Minister. And the running theme, this is still very much a work in progress. The convoy protest took over downtown Ottawa for 3 weeks last year. Half of Rouleau's recommendations focus on policing, saying a series of missteps from local police, municipal government, and a lack of provincial support led to an initially lawful protest spiraling out of control. LeBlanc writes the RCMP is working to improve information sharing between policing agencies, plus reviewing command and control models to ensure it can integrate with other police agencies during a time of crisis. The border blockades on Windsor's Ambassador Bridge and the Coutts border crossing in Alberta were used as part of the government's rationale for invoking the act. LeBlanc writes the Transportation Ministry began work this summer to examine emergency management at key crossings and pieces of transportation infrastructure. Rouleau also called the 30-year-old act out of date for what a modern emergency can be. LeBlanc says recommendations related to modernizing this legislation are being given, quote, a thoughtful response. Part of the modernity of the convoy protest was how it spread online. Among recommendations to address mis- and disinformation, LeBlanc points to recently created new programs from the feds partnering with academics. One new thing in the update, a National Security Council for ministers to probe security matters. Now, it's not clear though what could be shared there that can't be shared at Cabinet or the Incident Response Group. The government's full response is due on February 17th next year, 1 year after Rouleau's report. David Baxter, Global News, Ottawa.